I don't get the question.
Come here. I'll show you how it works.
Happy birthday, Colton.
Happy birthday, Colton.
Instead of sending you a birthday card, we send you birthday wishes via video.
And we're going to have a cupcake in honor of you. So we decided we would have cupcakes, blow out candles, the whole works. So happy birthday, buddy.
Happy
We love
birthday,
you.
Sunshine.
Okay, you got the smashing thing down really good. Just way up my nose. Hey, son, we love you.
We love you.
Oh, I can hardly wait.
Oh, yeah, that looks so good.
Look, let's clean up. I didn't like the way that went. Let's do it again. Okay, you got the smashing thing down really good. Just way up my nose.
Happy birthday, Colton. Instead of sending you a card, we wanted to send you a video. I don't know what to say.
We didn't even get that far. All right, let's try again. Ready?
Yeah, that looks so good. Have you nose
You're
again?
violent. Take it down a notch, girl. All right, we gotta do it again. Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, Colton. We love you.
Cupcakes! Here's to you, kid. Happy birthday, Colton.
Nah.
Oh, I think that was the best ever.
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You weren't supposed to get any up my... Oh, I can't breathe. I gotta go.
I know you didn't get any up my nose this time. Woohoo!
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.